Hello guys. I'd like to introduce you to Youtrack. Youtrack is a issue tracker or a task manager for software developers. So what you essentially do is like you create a task and then okay, you've got a team lead, right? Your team you as a team leader, you create a task and you assign that task to your other teams accordingly. You the team leader, you the team leader, you think about it's your job to assign tasks to your other people. Okay, so to get started, to sign up, what you need is your site name. So for example, I named mine store because by then I was busy on my other store project. Yeah, so we can name ours informatics. What informatics 1B project, no spaces. Yeah, and then afterwards enter your student email here so that you see it says that start a free 30-day cloud trial. But if you enter your student email, then it's gonna give you unlimited. You're not gonna have a trial. It's free for students. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, yeah, you can read more about it there, and nice graphs and all that. But okay, let's get to why we're here. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna get whatever you've entered here. Your site name would be this here. Yeah, so this is how it goes. So you've got this button here, create issues. But first of all, you need a project to create an issue, a task of on that project. So you've got a project here. So I already have my store project, but we're gonna create a new project just to demonstrate all the steps that's needed to do that. So the project that we're gonna create, I'm gonna call it informatics 1B. No, I don't like this ID. I'll call it IFM 1B. Then the description, I'm gonna say what am I gonna say here? Okay, group project for my infos class. It's due 14/09/16. What is it? 16. Yeah, that's just a description for a project so that you don't get lost between projects. Yeah, and then you create the project. This is because I've already created a similar one. So let's just do this. Team name, leave it there. Okay, informatics 1B team. Yeah, that's fine with me. Build name must be unique. Oh, the ID shit. Okay, yeah, that's good. We'll be good to go. Okay, now you say now this is the page where you add all your team members. So your team members need your team members just need to sign up. So for example, if I just say log out here, come on now, I can say sign up, then display name, what, and that's where you can type funny names here, login name, your email, your team names. They need to use your student, their student account. Okay, so and then afterwards, and then they log in. Yeah, yeah. Okay, in that way, then in your team you can just add in the guys there, or you can just search for them here. Okay, there it is. Yeah, and then okay, now let's create issues. Oh, one more thing. You see this part over here. You also like to have a time dimension to your issues. So I just go back. Come on. Okay, so I like to edit the project first. I don't know about that. Let's just say time tracking. Oh wait, there's another thing as well. Team. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so we just do enable time tracking. Oh, it's all here. Enable time tracking. The first one estimation, and then you want the spend time. Then so this all of this here, it's what you want to, is the fields that you want to specify. We say when a person says I've been working, and then they can be either working on these fields. Like for example, at our school we've got planning as well, so I'll add planning. See, I've already had one, so it will be there. So there it is. But if you guys don't have testing, then you can just delete testing if you don't like. If it's not, it's just gonna clutter your list. Yeah. So let's go back to creating an issue. Uh, this is my other project. This is the store project. Okay. Um, I'd like to go to the informatics from B project. Okay, says no issues. Yay, nice. But now let's create issues. Let's make our life a bit difficult. Okay. You see now I've got these fields now. Since I added the time dimension, this enables us to actually calculate how much time, to actually specify the time required to complete a task. You see, yeah. And then you have the summary. For which project? Informatics 1B project summary. Okay. Summary. Okay. So I'll say DLL with with abstract class. Classes. Okay. It in the description, this is where it gets interesting, because in the description I can actually mention a person, like with Twitter and all that. I can say add someone. The only person that I'm working with in this project is Spider. Okay, so I can say at SP. If you say add, it's gonna, and then you press, like, just like in Visual Studio, you press Control CTRL and then space. It'll pop up, this pop up with all the available people that you can, that are in your project. So I can say at SP, please please create, at SP, please create this as soon as possible, so that we can all begin working on the project. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it for the part. You can also attach files if there's something that you want to, you can attach a file. if there's something that you want to elaborate, you can even paste code here if you like. It will automatically highlight that code for you. I can view this file. I can decide. I can view the file. Yeah, they that file. I can even modify the file if I want to. So I can draw on the file. I can highlight specific things like that, stuff like that. So yeah. So I can, okay, I don't know this file there. Okay, delete attachment. Okay. um this shows you how your don't look like. So I can actually do this. um you see, it shows me to whom I'm actually specifying this link to, if you have doubts. So it's gonna email the person that you've been mentioning an issue, so that keeps your team up to date with each other. Yeah. And then let's create, oh wait, I need to show you this part as well. So you can set the priority. What is, what priority is? I don't need to explain that. Okay, so this one is a showstopper, because without it we cannot carry on with the project. um the state, no, the type, it's epic. And it's a task. Someone has to actually do this. Yeah. And then the state, this one is important, because you need to select this very important, very carefully. um I'll make this we're actually working on this part now. So this state, I'll make it open, because it's open, because someone has to work on it. It's not just submitted and in progress. Someone is going to be discussed. Then you guys are talking about it. Can't reproduce, like for example, let's say someone says there's an error, and then you don't know how that error came about. You've tried to remake that error, nothing's happening. Duplicate, fix, when the thing is fixed, when fixed, you just, I don't know what would happen there. Assignee, so I'm gonna assign it to who. Wait. um Sorry about that. The reason why my team members were not appearing was that when I was here in projects, right? um Edit project, I didn't touch on this. When I was here in edit project, I had to click on the user, and then I had to click this button, add assignees. Yeah, just remember to do that. Yeah. And then it tells you here, another thing that I forgot, it tells you you're a project admin or you're a developer. You can view more of these roles if you play around, but it's not important for what we're doing. It is important, but we trust each other, yeah? Back, I think. Forward. Okay, I wasn't finished editing this one. Okay, so I like to finish editing this task. Assignee, that guy there, is appearing. Okay, so estimated time, I can say 1 day, 1 week, yeah, or even hours. So I'll just say 2 hours. No, say 2 days. Voters. So you can have people. You can have, in Utrecht, you can have people who are like your testers. You can have testers of a project, so they can vote on this. Let's say it's like you have, let's say you say type, it's of type feature. So you can have people voting on it, saying, no, I like this feature, please add this feature. But now we're working on a task, so or you can have your other teammates saying, yeah, this is a good task, we should take it. But anyway, it's always there in case you need something similar. You guys are creative. Okay, so I can add a watcher. I can watch it to see the progress, since I want to know what's happening, since I want to be notified when this project is finished, so I can see the state of the project. as it goes from open to fixed to discussed, what stuff like that. So I can say just apply here. Okay, so I'm one of the watchers, so they'll send me an email when everything is good to go. So I can also comment, but okay, this part here at the bottom, I can also comment and to get people involved. So for example, let's say I've got a team member called John. Hey John, please dude, John is okay with the plans. Okay, since it's not highlighted because John is not part of this project, so to avoid errors, let's just leave that out. Is it okay with the plans? Add comment. So if I had put John there, if I had put John there, I was gonna get an email. Okay, so time tracking. Time tracking. Now I have the I didn't press enter. So I'll say 2 days. Enter. Suppose press enter for effect. Now I can say I'll show you this a bit later. So now let me submit this. That should have worked. I think it did. Okay, now you can go back to your issues page. This is where you see all your issues. Okay, currently we only have one. That's when it says projects issues 1. This one is 13. I don't know what this I does and pin. Oh, okay. So it shows you the priority, and then it shows you what type of task it is. You can even change it from here if you decide later. The state that is in, to who it is assigned to, you can change this later. And then if you go to the person who's assigned, this is Spider's account. So Spider is assigned many projects, but I like him to only see informatics 1B project. You see, it's even highlighted, showing him, no, this is assigned to you. Yeah, Spider can view it. Now Spider can come here and be like, yeah dude, worked on the tiered attributes and planning took him 1 day. No type. Okay, so you can just press that button too. Now you see it has changed the time that 1 day left out of 2 days. Check, we've worked for 1 day out of 2 days. So it shows even the spend time that work spent on this thing. Now you see the issues page. You can press this thing here to extend, to make it look a bit better, but is a better way of doing issues. It's called agile boards. So in agile board, let me just get back to this one. In agile boards, you can see this is for the store app. So you can these are called swim lanes. So let's say you've got like a particular thing that you're working on, like for example, say design. All the things related to design will be here. Then you say looking for database. All the things related with database will be here. So everything, it's more like you're pushing. It's like a look at this. Look at this like a pipeline. So you're pushing things. You're pushing things. You just want to get things fixed, one step at a time, one feature at a time, something like that. So what does have to change? Okay, now okay, wait, I'm in the wrong one. Okay, so but to have an agile board, you need to create agile board. I'll say for which project, for informatics portion, my infos agile board, create. Now this this these are like your columns, your column this these are your columns. This. So what I would like is I don't like this one. I don't want this one. I want fixed. Come on now. Come on. Okay, I like supposed to be open, to be discussed. So I want open to be discussed. No, to be discussed. No, okay, open to be discussed in progress. Fixed. Yeah, that's good. So I like to assign colors to this so that it looks a bit nice as well. Colors are the best. And then okay, I'm just assigning random colors. You make sure that you assign colors that makes sense. Yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough. I think I'll just close this. You see, now it shows you in a much more better more visually attractive manner. The type of task, the name of the task, the description of the task, the user to whom it's assigned to, and the total amount of time spent on this whole project. This, yeah. And then you can as the progress goes by, you can say, hey, it has moved. You see the colors will change. It's supposed to change, but then you can say in progress, and then you see how colors change. Yeah, and then you can say now it's fixed. You can just change the time. Just change the time. Just do another hour. Done. Yay. Okay. Now when you go back to your agile board, you see it even is a cross or horizontally across the name to show this thing is complete. Internet is slow. Come on, please. Okay, yeah. That's about it. For that one. And as you change the project accordingly, the people that you mentioned here, the people, like for example, SP Spider will get an email, and the watcher, me, I'll also get an email on the progress of the application, on how the issue is going. So one more thing that the last thing that I'd like to show you is the reports. If you're creating reports, you can create a time report. Time report. Queue, select options. Fixed, create report. Time report. informatics 1B, 1B1 daily classes 6 time estimated time spent 16 hours. You can see all the time that you spent on a per user, and then you can see who spent the most hours. He spent the most hours on an issue. That's why he spent the most hours on an issue. Yeah, but you don't have to specify that. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Okay, this is your landing page, your home page. Usually it is like this notes thing. This notes thing, you can just add notes relating to particular issue. Say for example, you say remember to do A to Z before changing the state of the project. And here there's some awesome markup tool. You can just say NB, NB, NB. You see, just adding 3 equal sign before 3 equal sign before. I think also 2 equal signs, right? That changes the boldness of the thing. Yeah. Okay. And you can do like the WhatsApp thing, like this will be bold and stuff. But anyway, and then you can say create widget, and then you can have a report. So I gotta just show you time representation, not attached, time spent. Then have issues per assignee report. Okay, spider has 23%. The ones which don't have any, the ones which don't belong to anyone are 46% and stuff like that. Oh no. Okay, and I don't know which one that I like. I liked. Oh, this is like I don't know what this one is. Let's just remove it. Report. The one that I had. Team. Time. Yeah, so as you can see, there's some fancy graphs which I don't know. Some of them I don't even know what they mean, but I'm sure you guys will get some imaginative ways of. So these ones, in order for you to have this, you need to have you see that all these names here corresponds to these reports here. So you select whichever you like, average per issue age, say AVG and stuff.